Ma'am, I cannot reply on what the government would prefer. It's actually up to the speaker. It's actually up to the speaker. We have always been open on any debate on FDI. I don't know whether you would remember or not, but as being also Deputy Chief Whip, I can say with full confidence that over the last year, the debates were listed for FDI at least 3 times in the House and nobody discussed it. All the time it came under 193. FDI is an issue that should be and must be discussed under 193 because voting normally you do in an issue that is under the prerogative of the legislature. This does not come directly under the prerogative of the legislature. However, since this is truly the prerogative of the speaker, I would not like to say much, but whatever is the speaker's final decision, we would welcome it and debate it under whichever decision the speaker takes.
One question here, please. बीजेपी ने संकेत किए हैं कि वो ममता बनर्जी अगर मोशन लाएंगे तो इसका सपोर्ट करेंगे। उधर मुलायम सिंह है जो एफडीआई का लगातार विरोध कर रहे हैं, तो दोनों स्थितियों में क्या पहली बात ये कि अगर बीजेपी साथ देती ममता का तब सरकार क्या करेगा, और मुलायम सिंह अगर एफडीआई के मुद्दे पर विपक्ष के साथ खड़े होंगे तब क्या होगा?
देखिए, मैंने पहले ही कहा था किसी भी तरफ से ये रेजोल्यूशन आए, चाहे ममता जी लाए चाहे कोई और लाए, जब वोट की बात आएगी, सरकार के कॉन्फिडेंस की बात आएगी, तो हमारे पास पूरा भरोसा कि हमारे पास 272 से ज्यादा सांसद हैं और उस समय फ्लोर पर जब टेस्ट किया जाएगा हम लोग बहुमत से निकलेंगे। इसमें कोई संशय नहीं है, किसी बात की हम लोगों को कोई भी इसमें संदेह नहीं है। Ma'am, actually, I don't know the details of this, but if you remember, even some time back, I think even the case of a cartoonist, something like this was done. I think if it's a... Well, I don't actually know what this is. This.
Something on Facebook about Balhapi and Mumbai Band, and Shiv Sena vandalized, I mean, they vandalized and now it has been planted.
Justice got to have sort of an letter saying that if you are unable to grasp the state, then I can sue you. Find out.
That will find out, ma'am. As I said, I still really don't know what it is, sir. Ma'am, and this is for the government of Maharashtra to say, but I would say that state funeral is normally given if the state government so believes that a particular person deserves a kind of respect, has lived public life with some utility and contribution to society. One second, ma'am, let me just complete. And in sum total, a person's life is evaluated, and in the passing away of a person, the state government there in sum total evaluates the contribution of a particular person, the emotions of the citizens and the population of that area. And in that, they would decide whether this kind of a respect is due to that person or not. बिल्कुल पूरा बहुमत है। जब भी फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस पर इसका टेस्ट होगा, मैं आपको पूरे भरोसे से बता सकता हूं कि हम लोग अपना मेजॉरिटी प्रूव कर पाएंगे।
Is Congress party agreeing to Anand Sharma's view that executive decision cannot be questioned or debated or discussed in parliament?
मैम, नॉर्मली यही होता है कि जो एग्जीक्यूटिव डिसीजंस होते हैं, दे कैन बी डिस्कस्ड, दे ऑलवेज डिस्कस्ड इन पार्लियामेंट, चाहे फॉरेन अफेयर्स की बात हो, चाहे कोई और विषय हो। नॉर्मली जो एग्जीक्यूटिव डिसीजंस होते हैं, जो मैंने पहले भी आपसे कहा, जो पार्लियामेंट की प्रेरोगेटिव में नहीं है या पार्लियामेंट के अधिकार क्षेत्र में नहीं है, उन पर संसद पर वोटिंग करने का एक प्रथा नहीं रही है और ना हमारी वोटिंग करने से उस पर फर्क पड़ता है। जो हम हमेशा चीजों को डिबेट करते हैं, एक जैसे हमारी पुरानी प्रथा रही है कि फॉरेन अफेयर्स में पॉलिसी डिसीजन पे, फॉरेन पॉलिसी डिसीजन पे कभी वोट नहीं होता है, लेकिन चर्चा हमेशा होती है और उसमें लोग उसके साथ भी अपना मत प्रकट करते हैं, सरकार के डिसीजन के विरोध में भी मत प्रकट करते हैं।
But Prakash Karat, I'm asking this question because Prakash Karat has just issued a statement saying that executive decision regarding Balco's disinvestment was debated and voted upon in Parliament.
Ma'am, Balco का जिसका when was this, ma'am?
I think 2001. First of March when CPM
Okay.
MP had moved.
Fair enough, ma'am. वैसे मैंने आपसे पहले कहा, the view is that normally executive decisions are not discussed, but if the speaker so decides, we are welcome to it. I've said before also The discussion under any provision of law, if it comes in Parliament, we are welcome to that. We are open to that. No problem.
You don't need the approval of Parliament, but Parliament certainly has the right to.
When Parliament, in cases that are not the prerogative of the House, can express an opinion, and an opinion is not necessarily correct just because it is voted by more people. In these circumstances of Parliament, because it's a debate. सार्वजनिक मानी जाएगी जब संसद के पटल पर रखी जाती है, और जो भी सुझाव उस कमेटी के आएंगे वो राज्यसभा सेक्रेटेरिएट से जब सरकार के पास आएगी, सरकार उसको देखेगी और जो भी परिवर्तन करने होंगे, जो अभी जो मौजूदा तरीके से लोकसभा से पास होकर राज्यसभा में कहिए, जब उसको परिवर्तन करके लाएंगे तब सही पिक्चर सामने आएगी. Our top leadership concerned with Andhra Pradesh has made it very clear some time back that currently no changes are stipulated. We stand by that.
Don't you think it is such a serious issue? Central Minister writing a letter to their party high command and your own government saying our CM is insufficient, is not sufficient. Incompetent, and PCC chief is also acting like a market. So don't you think it is a serious issue?
See, first of all, as I said, I cannot comment on the authenticity of that letter. In case that letter is authentic, then it's for Mr. Kishore Chandradev to explain himself, and it's for the party high command to take cognizance of that.
He reasserting that he will write another letter regarding the change in leadership.
If that is so, you ask him your questions.
So Congress is satisfied with the performance of the minister?
As I said, our senior high command with regard to Andhra Pradesh some time back said that the current Chief Minister continues, and that is what the situation is today.
So any action against him?
No, ma'am. Anything else? Thank you.